So what's up everyone? So today I have the Rebirth Torvoneustes over here. This is my touch-up Torvoneustes. I painted the tail and the flipper here and give it some blue, some aqua blue on its mouth. You know, some features, distinction. And there's a DNA scan. Whoop. I don't know. It's not clear. There you go. Whoop. And here is the original. Why is the alliance not working? There we go. So here's the original compared to the touch-up. Tail, totally different. And I have my super rare Dakosaurus here. Very hard to find. And if you find it on eBay, it's so expensive. I found this back in eBay on a very cheap price. It was 10 bucks back then, but now it's over 100. It's crazy. There's the DNA scan for this Dakosaurus. I can only get one, but at least I have one. It was actually covered by other products. I have to shovel it, and I found it. So the reason why I bought this two out, it's two species, because we're gonna unveil this DUNKLEOSTEUS. We're gonna compare it. This is extinct bony fish, armored fish actually. So I already unveiled the Mutodon. I have it. I saw the Euxosaurus, but I didn't grab it. The Torvoneustes, yes, I also unveiled that. Alright, so let's take it out on its packaging. Alright, let's grab the scissor. Let's check it out. Let's check the feature. Push this button, it jumps. It had this huge teeth on its front. There you go. And let's see, it has a scratch on its head right there. You can tell it's an armored fish. I really like the details about the tattered tail right there and its fins. That's pretty cool. Its tail. And there's a DNA scan. You can scan it. You have some really tiny details right there. It says 2026 from it. Wait. Yes, that is 6. That can't be 8, right? Oh yeah, that is 6. Okay. And here's my other DUNKLEOSTEUS. So we got 2 now. So I'm gonna need at least one more for a repaint, and the other one will be a touch-up. Alright, so super cool. We're gonna compare to the Dakosaurus first. Yeah. Definitely shorter link. It is a strike attack, but this is a danger pack. For some reason it's longer and bigger, because we all know that danger packs are smaller, supposedly. And here's the Torvoneustes, also longer in length. Alright, also I'm going to show you my custom paint Torvoneustes, not Torvosaurus. Here it is, all covered up. Oh, there you go. Custom paint Torvoneustes. There you go, DNA scan. Let's compare to the original. There you go. See that? Yeah. Well, I think it's damaging there. Okay. So there you have it for today, guys. All my smaller extinct fishies or marine reptiles. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. You can see at the upper gum, you can tell it's really nice and glossy up there. The tongue looks really cool. I'm probably gonna fix the teeth. Give it some damages there. Probably give some battle damage. This one I'll keep it, and then the third one will be the custom paint. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you again. We'll see you in the next few days. Next should be the, I don't know, maybe Indoraptor Legacy Collection. Yeah, Stafford's been harassing me about that. Alright guys, we'll see you. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye.